Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the nuances of how scripted the news and mainstream media is, alright? CO2 member Irish Grinstead dies at 43, right? Got 72. See that, right? Okay, we have any football fans out there? What'd it say? 43, right? Okay, last but not least, we have Billy Miller, Y&R and General Hospital star, dies at what? You know, 43. It's important that we know that this world is fake, this world is a facade, it's not real. We are all like chess pieces on a black and white checkerboard. Hence, the Masonic checkerboard get moved like puzzle pieces, right? Each and every one of those. So it's important that we have spiritual smartness to understand the schemes and the wiles of the enemy, all right?